As you can see, the technical team are trying to repair the damage done by the storm. As you can see, Coach Rio is trying to fix whatever is left of the jump-off area, which was damaged due to the rain. I don't call it a rain, I call it a fucking storm. Can I say that? Mike, do you have any questions? Alam mo ba ano pa ba nangyari diyan, kumpare? Ano pa bang nangyari diyan? Malakas ba ang ulan? Ano bang ano? Kasi kitang-kita ko diyan sa camera nyo, nagtumbaan na 'tong mga tent. Mike, yes, as you can see, all the tents have fallen because of the strong wind brought about by the storm. And well, everybody's trying to repair everything, including me. I'm trying to repair my shoes
And our feet.
because it's wet. And I'll be using the same trail shoes
Tomorrow at the 20-kilometer run.
Yes.
And my
I'll
10-kilometer
I'll probably
run.
be walking the entire 20 kilometers because I can't run on wet shoes.
We've been submerged in water.
Yes, and I don't want to get blisters on both my feet. So I'll probably walk.
Blisters in the sun.
Yes, can you take a shot of my shoes?
You wanna check out my shoes? Cha-ching! Also submerged in water before this.
Me.
Okay, we're
Okay.
signing out.
That's it.